Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT8 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So, to get started, you will want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me that will be the home screen that is already open and visible. Once your content is open and visible on your screen, all you will need to do is press the power button and volume down at the same time. You get the sound along with the pop-up, and first time around you get this quick message letting you know that you can also capture screenshots using a 3-finger swipe down or a couple different versions of the 3-finger gestures. So you can see they're all shown here on a couple different pages. So that's one way, and I'm just going to capture just a single screenshot, normal one, full screen like this, just to showcase this. You can see we have scroll and share options visible right here. If you want to actually utilize them, you can click on them, and if you don't do anything, this pop-up just disappears, and you can find your captured screenshots by going into your Photos or Photos application. We have both of them. Now, one is by Google and the other one is from a REALME. I always prefer not Google ones, so I'm gonna select the REALME. And you can see we have our screenshots right here at the top. So these are the two that I have just captured. And also you can navigate to albums, and in albums you'll find an album called screenshots. And in here you'll find screenshots and also screen recordings, but it's still much easier to find whatever you're looking for in a much more kind of managed area or album, which only contains 2 different categories of content. So anyway, that's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.